Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add groups and delete groups using the commands addgroup and delgroup. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do now is type this command first to view the groups that we have right now. Okay, so these are our groups. So now I want to add a new group. For that, type add group and I want it to be called finance. Okay, it says done. So let's go to our /etc/group, and finance is right there. And that's the new group that we added. Okay, so in order to delete a group, this is what you need to type. Del group, and I'm going to type finance. And if I go to my if I view the content, I will not go to it. You can see that the group has been removed. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is how you would add and delete users using the commands addgroup and delgroup. I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.